Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, your host. This channel is all about helping you practice your listening skills. So, let's get started. Money is something we use every day, but many people do not stop and think about it deeply. We earn money, spend money, and sometimes worry about money. So how does money really affect our daily life? Let's talk about it step by step. First, let's think about earning money. People earn money in different ways. Some people work full-time, some work part-time, and some work for themselves. When you earn money, you feel independent. You feel that you can take care of your needs. However, earning money usually means giving your time and energy. That is why money is closely connected to work and effort. Next comes spending money. Spending is easy, but spending wisely is not always simple. When you buy something you like, you feel excited. It could be food, clothes, or even a small treat. But sometimes, after spending money, you feel regret. That moment teaches you an important lesson. Money decisions have emotional effects. Now, let's talk about saving money. Saving means keeping some money for the future instead of using it now. Many people find saving difficult because they want to enjoy life today, but saving gives you security. When an emergency happens, saved money can protect you from stress. Even saving a small amount regularly can make a big difference over time. Money also helps us understand the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things we must have to live, like food, housing, and basic clothing. Wants are things that make life more enjoyable but are not necessary. When we understand this difference, we can control our spending better and avoid problems. Money can affect our feelings and mental health. When money is tight, people often feel anxious or stressed. They worry about bills and the future. When money is stable, people feel calmer. But having more money does not always mean more happiness. Relationships, health, and peace are also very important. Habits play a big role in how we use money. Small habits like tracking expenses or saving a little each week can change your financial situation slowly. These habits may feel boring at first, but they bring long-term benefits. Good money habits create confidence and control. Everyone has a different relationship with money. Some people like to spend freely, while others prefer to save as much as possible. Neither way is perfect on its own. Balance is the key. Balance allows you to enjoy the present while still preparing for the future. Money also represents choices. Every time you spend money, you make a decision. Do you choose something cheap now or something better that lasts longer? These small choices, repeated many times, shape your life. Money decisions are not about one moment, but about long-term patterns. Learning about money is not only for becoming rich, it is about becoming responsible and aware. When you understand money, you feel less afraid of it. You know how to plan, how to control spending, and how to prepare for the future. In the end, money is a tool. It can help you build a comfortable life, but it should not control you. When you use money carefully and with purpose, it becomes a support, not a problem. Understanding money helps you live with less stress and more confidence. All right, everyone, that's it for today on Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, and I hope this helped you practice your listening skills. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you next time.